और उसमें मैंने बड़ी वेरिएशंस देखी थी। न्यूज़पेपर से आर्ट हुआ हुआ है, नीडल्स से आर्ट किया हुआ है, ब्लेड का आर्ट था। यानी कि इतनी वेरिएबल्स मैंने पहले नहीं देखे थे। बट आई थिंक सो 2 years बैक और वन ईयर बैक आई हैव अटेंडेड दैट एग्जीबिशन इन लाहौर।
Yeah.
तो पहले मैंने ये वेरिएबल्स नहीं देखे थे आर्ट में।
Yeah. So that's as I said, like art जो है वो organically निकलता है, right? So पहले अगर आपका perception ये था कि art जो है वो सिर्फ paint on canvas ही होता है या pencil on paper होता है, तो अब जो है वो everything is challenged, everything's opened up. Now anything can be turned into a form that is interesting for you to spend time with. So for me, art is successful when it can hold me for more than 30 seconds.
Okay.
ना हमारी इतनी लाइफ जो है वो इनंडेटेड है विजुअल्स के साथ कि आप एक सेकंड के अंदर अपने फ़ोन में you'll see a million visuals. You look up, there's billboards, there's you're being blasted with visuals all the time, right? What is it that will hold you, that you will remember, that you'll think about? That's what makes art successful for me. So उसके अंदर material investigation और वो तो is the fun bit.
आर्टिस्ट की लाइफ को लोग ज़्यादातर ना उसकी पेंटिंग्स से एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं कि जिस तरह की पेंटिंग्स वो करते हैं तो उनकी लाइफ भी वैसी ही होगी. व्हाट डू यू से अबाउट, इज इट ट्रू?
I'd love to know what people think about my art.
बड़ा मुश्किल है. योर आर्ट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू describe.
Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, if I were to, because I also write about art, I'm, as a critic and a writer. So the way I look at my own work is the freedom that it offers. So कि आपने सिर्फ वही replicate नहीं करना जो आपको आसपास नज़र आ रहा है. And this is the personal approach. So replicate करने की बात नहीं है. It's more about creating something new, something that excites me, right? And how I create it at that scale that I'm creating. वो छोटी है, वो बड़ी है, वो जो कुछ भी है, at any scale. When something happens, and it's something that's even new for me, that's what I choose to take forward. So for me, it's not about copying. It's about doing something that seems like possibilities जो हैं वो उसकी लगता है कि यार ये कैसे हुआ है, ये क्यों हुआ है, how does this work, and if you're a maker and if you're an artist, so you have a lot of questions, so if I look at somebody else's work, I will actually stand in their shoes and I can see their mark making कि इस हाथ से कैसे ब्रश स्ट्रोक लगा है या कि कैसे गदरंग हुआ है, कैसे पॉइंटलिज्म है या जो कुछ भी है. लेकिन when you figure out something, so that's fun. But for me, what's exciting is when you stand in front of something and you actually can't figure it out. कि यार ये हुआ कैसे? That for me is what I want to achieve in my own work. And obviously, as an artist, you're never really satisfied with your work, and especially something like I do, you're constantly questioning, is it done? Is it finished? Is it, am I done with it? And there's always this risk of overdoing something and you kill it, so you're always playing at the edge. So अच्छा मज़ेदार सा एक it's almost like a challenge, life or death situation when I create work, one extra mark and I've gone too far and then the entire thing is over. So when to know when to stop is always a challenge, and for that I really appreciate deadlines. When you have a show coming up and you have deadlines, so I've got multiple things going on in my studio, but all the time. But the point where it leaves my studio is when time's up. When I have to part with it, when I have to send it out. So it's almost like sending out your children into the world. So it's like, are they ready? Are they ready to face the world? So वो बड़ा एक मज़ेदार dialogue होता है कि it's never about being done or the work being perfect.